Hi everybody, today I want to show you how to do an ombre lippie using our splash liquid lipsticks. This one is called Showy and it's kind of a darker purplish maroon, and then this is Stellar, which is one of our nudes that has kind of a purplish undertone to it. So we're going to use these two colors to create the ombre along with our lip brush. Now I highly recommend using a lip brush, especially with the liquid lipsticks, just because it's going to help you to get more precise lines. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the color Showy. And when I use this, I like to take the brush and just get a little bit of the color off of the tip. Not too much. I don't want to have a lot. And I'm just going to gently line the outer corners of my lips. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom. Whichever side I have the color on the brush is the side that I'm going to point towards my lips. Okay, so I pulled that all the way under on the bottom just so that I can have a little bit more dimension there. And then I'm gonna take a little bit more color and I'm just gonna fill into about right here, like right outside where that lip starts to bow out. So we're gonna stop right about there. And another thing with these splash liquid lipsticks, you don't need a lot of product. A little bit goes a long way, so you wanna be really careful that you're not over applying. Okay, so I rub those together just a little bit to kind of blend those colors. Then I'm just gonna wipe this lip brush off. And I'm gonna grab this color Stellar, which is a nice nude. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that on the lip brush. I'm gonna line that top part of my lip. And I'm gonna just lightly pull that over. So down on the bottom, I already lined the bottom with the darker color. So I'm just gonna fill in. And you can slightly overline your lips with the lip brush as well. Like a little extra something there. And if you mess up, just wipe it off quickly before it dries. I'm trying to do this on my phone, it's hard to see. Okay, so now that I've got this color on, I'm just gonna kind of buff it out so that they kind of blend together. Right where they're meeting, I wanna kind of buff it, like blend it in. Sometimes I go back and I add a little bit more dark if I feel like I don't have enough. So I'm gonna add a little bit more Showy to the outer corners just to make sure that I'm getting like a full ombre. And there you go. See how it naturally goes from this darker color to the lighter color in the center? This is gonna give your lips the appearance that they're fuller in the center of your lips. Another trick you can use to get that fuller look in the center of your lips is to add a little bit of luminizer. I'm just gonna add a little bit of this benevolent powder right here in the center. And that's just gonna make it look like my lips are even powderier. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I will talk to you later.